Hello guys, welcome to my Power BI series. If you are actually chasing a career in data analytics, then this is the series for you. Today I'll be giving you guys an introductory part to Power BI. So first of all, we need to download the desktop Power BI on our machine. So you can just navigate to your Microsoft Store and search for desktop Power BI. And if it's not installed on your system, go ahead, hit this button and it will be installed on your system. So once that is being done, you come to your search bar here and search for Power BI. And here is it. And go ahead and hit it and hold on for it to load to your machine. Just a few seconds and the software will be up and running. Let's hold on for it. And here is it. This is how the software looks like. Well, we are going to go on and close this particular UI because we are not using the Power BI cloud. We are using the one on our desktop. So we don't need to sign in. So let's go ahead and close this here. So this is how it looks like. This is the interface, the landing page. And here you can see these are the visualization tools which we are going to be using later on. And here at the top corner here, we have the get data where you can import and get different kind of data. We have the Excel. Let's just actually click this. And here you can see we can import the Excel worksheet, the Power BI dataset. We can even get data from the web, or we can import a text or CSV file, and as well as many other features up here. So you can just come to this file here and come to this import here and import your data. Let's go to one site and get one dataset that we're going to use. The website name is Cargo, and here we have one simple dataset which is the latest COVID-19 India statewide data. It's very little, just 1 kilobyte. I'm going to drop the link in the description for downloading this dataset. All you need to do is just hit this download button, and once that is being downloaded into your machine, let's come to our download, and here is the dataset. We are going to right click and let's right click and extract all. And once you do that, you should see this particular dataset here. It's actually a CSV file. So let's navigate back to our Power BI desktop. So here we are going to come to get data, and it's actually a CSV file. So let's click it and load the CSV file. Click on this latest COVID-19 India status and open. Hold on for a while for it to create a connection and actually load it into our Power BI. And here we are going to go to the transform data. Sorry, that was quick. Just click on the transform data and it will actually load the data into the query editor. Here, this is where you can do a lot of transformation on the data set. We're not going to be doing much today because it's just an introductory part. But if you look up here, you can see that a query has been executed. This is actually called the M language. This particular query you are seeing up here is called the M language. And once you execute a particular action here, the M language actually does that for you in the background. So here, if you look at the data set, you will see that it is being formatted properly. There are no null values. Everything is okay. So we're just going to go ahead and close it and apply. And it's going to load. Let's apply changes. And it's going to load into our model. Let's hold on for it to do that for us. Once the data set is loaded properly into our model, we are going to see the table appear on this right hand side here. And here it is, the latest COVID-19 India status. And here are all the tables here are all the columns in the data sets. So what you need to do is let's try to visualize it. Let's look for a particular chart here that's going to visualize it, this COVID-19 status properly for us. Let's check out this one, this line and stack column chart. Let's actually drag it to our middle here, and let's try to expand it, and here it goes. So let's try putting in the columns in. If you don't know which column to put inside particular chart here, just drag them and drop inside, and they will find their way around. So the first one here, we want to start with the case. Let's drop the case, the states. Let's drag the state and drop in, and while that is loading, let's go ahead and check another column here. Let's check the population. Here, when you check the population, you can see that we are beginning to see a visualization. Let's go ahead and check something else. Let's check the total case, and here you can see another visualization has been added. Let's actually go ahead and check all these columns, and let's see how our visual is going to look like. Let's see if it's actually going to make sense. And here you can see, if you look at this particular drop down bar here, you can see the axis is actually the state. Then the values are actually all the population, the total cases, the discharge ratio, the date, the death ratio. Let's make this bold so that we can see if there is actually an interpretation from this visualization. And let's minimize the filter. Let's minimize the visualization, and let's minimize the field. And there you go. And here you can see this is the population, about 2 million plus. And here you can see the states down here, and you can see the legend. The sky blue represents the population. Then the blue actually stands for the total cases. You can see if you hover over it. And here the yellow, the orange yellow actually stand for the discharge. These are the discharge, and this is how you can actually do a visualization. And we are actually going to do a lot of things in our Power BI in the query editor. This is just an introductory video. We just did this little mini project to get you started. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the notification button so that once the next video is being dropped, you are going to be notified so you don't miss anything. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. Stay blessed.